On the east side, floodwaters pushed several pieces of construction equipment to their limits as workers tried to stop water from flowing into nearby homes. If you take a look here, at one point the water was so strong that it knocked this excavator off of its tracks. Well, KIRO 7's Ryan Sims is live for us tonight from the Issaquah Creek. And Ryan, finally some relief there tonight.
Oh, it is what people here have been waiting for several days now. That's not to say that the river is totally back to normal, actually, the creek. Take a look. It is still roaring tonight, but water levels here, half of what they were on Wednesday. So that means that the cleanup is finally getting underway.
The East Valley's torrential flooding is finally over tonight, but it doesn't mean people are resting easy. Not at all, in fact.
We got like one of the last pumps around here, so we've been pumping water out of like the downstairs for 3 days, but I don't know, we feel pretty lucky.
The Issaquah Creek is flowing at a height of 6.5 feet tonight. That's half of what it was on Wednesday, and it's no longer in the flood stage. Many neighbors here finally left their homes this afternoon after being stuck inside for several days.
Much nicer, the break in the clouds, who knows how long it lasts, but I brought an insurance policy with me.
Hydrologists say the flooding here was the worst in a decade, and judging from this video, that is not necessarily a surprise. A neighbor here shot this video in Issaquah yesterday. As you see, things were so intense that an excavator even had trouble staying upright in the flooding. As for the number of homes possibly ruined here, damage surveys just getting started as people deal with a muddy mess across their neighborhoods.
And talking about the overall cleanup efforts, neighbors here, they're not really optimistic. They're saying that they think it could take weeks, if not months, to clean up all the debris that these floods have caused. There's no reason why either. Look at this. This was a wall just a few days ago, and as you see, it was absolutely decimated by the mud, by the floodwaters here, and all that debris is still there. So again, neighbors saying it could take weeks or months to clean stuff like this up. We're live in Issaquah tonight. Ryan Sims, KIRO 7 News.